Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your last screencast video. As we enter the last week, the last days of your semester in this 8-week class, I want to just point out that the final draft of the research essay is scheduled for Tuesday, end of day. I will post a final exam review video later this week. I'll talk about the social practices and participation letter and my expectations given the situation where we've just transitioned into an online course. Um, I'll talk about that. That is due Friday, end of day. I will leave most every assignment open until Friday, end of day, the Friday the 8th. If you are struggling and running to catch up, I'll leave everything open until that time. At that time, I have to close down the course. A course, according to the registration schedule, ends Friday the 8th. So all assignments have to be received by that day. Okay. So I just wanted to make that clear and emphasize that because when everything goes dark, I have to prepare and post grades relatively quickly for this 8-week class. So I'm recording this Sunday evening. I have believe the peer reviews will be due for the first draft. Grab whoever and whatever you can to write your two peer reviews and make sure I get the appropriate links here, right? So please upload two GDoc links to your peer review you wrote for your classmates. As simple as that. I need two reviews, and I'll take a look at those. I've reviewed any first drafts that I've been able to see up until this point and review. So I've taken care of that. I'm pretty much going to work through some of the assignments as they float in, so be patient. I'll be checking the Needs Grading Center often, all right? So just to head over back here to the course units, I have added a social practices and participation folder where I will upload in the next couple of days the instructions for the social practices and participation letter, which is technically your final exam that is due on Friday. Also in the chapter 5 unit, chapter 5 unit, yes, you have the research essay assignment with the sample. You want to make sure that you meet all the criteria here for the final draft of the research essay. And of course, here's the link to upload your GDoc link to your final draft by Tuesday it's due, but this will all close out on Friday the 8th. All right. So I will post, as I mentioned, I will post an additional video toward the middle of the week to cover expectations for the social practices and participation. If you have any questions, everyone knows to find me in the email world. Be safe and good luck.